Well, just thinking I'd send a little update. Looks like winter's here already. We got a little hailstorm coming through here. Looks kind of pretty, actually. Dun dun dun. Let's see, what are we doing in here? Dun dun dun. Oh, look at that little boy. He don't know what to think yet. Wait, Bobby. Just hanging out. Oh, I gotta do dishes. My baby girl. Love you. Miss you. Alright, just a little quick update. Gotta do out. Oh, I gotta get some more wood cut. You see out there? I gotta split some more wood. I got a bunch of rows kicking out here though. It's hard to see. Alright, wonder if you can see from up here. My bed.
This is a direct recording electronic machine, or DRE.
You can't see it either. Anyway, hope all's well with everybody. Dun dun dun. Alright, peace out. Love you. Bye.